Hello everyone, welcome to VKY Academy. Today we will learn what are the different windows on MATLAB. Moving to the first most basic window is your command window. So this main area is your command window. This is the main window. It is characterized by the MATLAB command which you have seen here. When you launch the application program, MATLAB puts you in this particular window first. All commands, including those for running user-written programs, are typed in this window at the MATLAB command prompt. This window is a part of MATLAB window. So in this particular window, whatever command or whatever operation you want to do, you get the result at the instant when you press the enter button. Let us check one by one. Let us perform one addition of two integer. The addition program which we have already discussed in our lecture number 1. Let us assign a number in the variable x. Let us assign another number in variable y. Let us see the result. Z is equal to x plus y. So this you can see is the result of our addition program. Next is your workspace. Now you can see this particular workspace reflects or gives all the variables which you have used in your command window in your work. So we have created three variables, x, y and z. So all these three variables can be seen on the workspace. So workspace list all the variables that you have generated so far. You can do various things with these variables, such as plotting by clicking on the variables and then using the right button on the mouse to select your options. Like if you want to see the result of your variable or the input of your variable in an Excel like sheet, then double click here. This is the variable x, the value which is assigned to the variable x. 4 is assigned to variable y, and the summation result 6 is assigned to variable z. You can close it. Okay, now moving to the next window is your current directory or your current folder. Now this is when all your files from the current directory are listed. You can do file navigation here. You also have several options of what you can do with the file once you select it. To see the options, click the right button of the mouse after selecting a file. You can run M file also. For the time now, I have not saved any M file in any of the folder. So these are all your files and folder in current folder or current directory. Now moving to the next is command history. So whatever program you do on the command window has some history, and that is being recorded on the command history. All commands typed on the MATLAB prompt in the command window get recorded, even across multiple sessions. Let us clear the command window by using the command clc. Now, one more good feature of command history is if you want to launch x is equal to 2 on command window, simply double click. If you want to launch y is equal to 3, simply double click. If you want to z is equal to x plus y, simply double click. So in this way you can see any command which is in the history can be launched on the command window even if you have cleared the command window screen. Next is, if you want to clear the variables of workspace, simply type clear all. By this you can clear the variables of workspace also. clc. Moving to the next window is your editor window. This is where you write, edit and create and save your own program in files called M file. Editor window can be launched by clicking or by typing Ctrl+N or simply clicking on new script. So let us launch. Now if you have a program which is very big, you cannot execute that program, you cannot write that program and on command window. You have to write that program on the editor window. So let us solve one addition program, percentile addition program. Now any statement followed with percentile symbol is not executed. Let us assign a number 2 or integer 2 in the variable x. Assign the integer 3 on y. Z is equal to x plus y. Now click on, if you want to run the program, click on run button. If this particular program is not saved, it will ask to save for the program with some name, sum_vky. The program will be saved with .m file. Now you can see the program is saved and also executed. The file name is sum_vky, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 5. You can see these variables on the workspace also. _vky.m file can also be seen on the current folder also. Let us jump to the next window, that is figure window. Let us take one example. Let us create one vector CLC. X is assigned with a vector 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is assigned with a vector 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us plot this vector plot. For plotting, we have a command plot, the reference variable, comma, next variable. So figure window will pop up. This is the x-axis, this one is the y-axis. As x-axis has the same element as y-axis, you can see a straight line passing through the origin. Now what you can do with the figure window also, in figure window we have save as file, we have copy figure option, we have insert title, x label, y label also, we have some other tools, zoom in, zoom out, help command. So this is all about the windows, different windows in MATLAB. Thank you everyone.